Welcome to the Clayco instruction video for installing our iPhone 6 screen replacement. First, we would like to start with saying that per the instruction booklet that came with the packet, we recommend having a professional install the replacement screen and that we are not liable for any damage that may be caused when installing this product. In addition, please consider recycling your replaced screen by using the provided envelope and return label to assist in our green initiative. We will even give you something in return. Now let's get started. Power off the phone and remove the SIM card. Next, remove the two screws found at the bottom of the phone. Using the suction cup, carefully separate the screen from the base of your iPhone from the bottom up. There is a data connection strip at the top of the phone which can easily break if the top part of the screen is disconnected. So make sure you keep the screen at a 90-degree angle. Using the Phillips head, remove the 5 small screws from the bracket located near the top right area of the phone. The screw at the top right will be slightly longer than the rest. Bear this in mind when replacing. Once unscrewed, remove the bracket and set aside with the screws. Detach the black sensor flexes in the order shown in the photo by prying up with the blue tool or the flathead screwdriver. This will allow you to separate the screen from the phone base. To remove the home button bracket, unscrew the 2 screws found at the base of the screen. Set the bracket with the screws aside. Now, to remove the home button and finger sensor flex, release the first part of the sensor flex by prying up on it gently. Then, to release the home button, gently push up on the button from the front of the screen. Set the home button with screws and home button flex pieces aside. Next is the earpiece bracket and earpiece. Remove the 3 screws found behind the earpiece bracket, followed by the earpiece itself. The longest screw belongs in the upper right corner. Next, using the tool, detach the front camera flexes. Next, to remove the middle metal plate, you need to remove 7 screws, 3 each on the left and right sides, and 1 at the top. Now your screen should be completely detached, and we will start with the screen replacement. Carefully inspect LCD for cracks or any other damage. Proceed to test functionality by connecting flexes to mainboard. The flexes should connect to the mainboard and snap like a Lego. Push the power button to ensure screen illumination. Finally, test the touchscreen. Please contact us before installing if you come across any issues. To ensure proper functionality, make sure you feel a gentle snap when connecting the flex cable. Without it, proper functionality may not be gained. Remove the red screen protector and install the middle plate using 6 small screws, 3 on each side. Set the flex back in place and snap down the connector. Then you can set the home button. Once the home button is set, you can install the home button bracket. Next, you're going to want to install the front camera. Install the earpiece and earpiece bracket. Next, transfer the camera holder from original screen onto the replacement screen. Then, the front receiver and camera flex will fall into place like a puzzle. Then install the earpiece and earpiece bracket. Secure the bracket with 3 small screws. Next, install the flexes in the top right-hand corner. They should snap into place just like a Lego. Next, install the bracket with 5 screws. The longest screw belongs at the top right of the bracket. Test the screen functionality again to make sure the screen works. Then, to put the phone back together, make sure all the phone parts line up correctly and press the screen and phone backing together. Take care not to press the home button area, as this may crack your screen. Finally, return the bottom 2 screws and your phone is ready to go. Make sure the screen works and seek professional help if the phone does not work. Again, please consider recycling your replaced screen by using the provided envelope and return label to assist in our green initiative. We will even give you something in return. We hope you enjoyed watching our tutorial and that it helped replace your iPhone 6 Plus screen. Thank you.